Hi everyone, we're on page 65 of Comforts While Away from Home in our medical financial lifeline journal binder. Okay, now this one I have a note here. Okay, I've got these are items that actually could go in the to go bag. Some of this was like add ons, like I wanted to add to it and I just kind of put them at the end. So what I've done is I've got my comforts away from home. All right. Blanket, pillow, sleep mask, essential toiletries, lip balm, hairbrush, favorite drinks, snacks, medication organizer. Um, the categories it's under: photos of loved ones, pens, pencils, journals, religious items, rosary, prayer book, Bible, playlist, music device, books, magazines, crossword puzzle, phone, tablet, charger, power bank, favorite clothing, essential oils, perfumes, stuffed animal, keepsake, emergency contact list, binder, copy, summary page. And then this page says, page 65, Comforts Away from Home, has been placed behind page 41, the to go bag. So what I'm going to do with my binder. You can just keep this here for sake of, okay? I'm going to slide this page where page 65 goes. And I'm going to take 65 and put it right behind page 41, where the gift bag, where the to go bag is. Okay. So what it looks like is we've got to go bag and then we've got comforts away from home right behind it. I think that's a much better spot for it. Now in the table of contents, I also put may also be behind page 41 to go bag. All right. So hopefully that all helps. You can leave it there. You can move it. You can do whatever you want. So I just want to show you that that's a prime example of something that I moved after the binder was complete. All right. Peace.